Welcome to Open School, your go-to platform for easy-to-understand educational content. We're here to simplify the complex, to make learning accessible and enjoyable for all. With a wide range of topics, from science to humanities, we're sure you'll find something that piques your curiosity and expands your knowledge. Today, our journey of discovery takes us to the realm of English grammar. We'll be delving into a fundamental building block of language, something we use every day without even realizing it. Yes, you guessed it, we're talking about nouns. What are they? How do they work? And most importantly, how can we use them correctly? We invite you to join us on this linguistic adventure. And if you find our content helpful, do give us a like, drop a comment, share with your friends, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more such enlightening videos. Today we venture into the world of English grammar, specifically focusing on nouns. Dive into the world of English grammar by understanding what nouns are. Nouns, in a nutshell, are the names we give to everything around us. They are the words that represent people, places, things, and ideas. For example, John, Paris, apple, and love are all nouns. They are the building blocks of our sentences, the elements that give our thoughts substance and meaning. Think about it, without nouns, how would we identify the world around us or communicate our thoughts and feelings? It would be like trying to paint a picture without any colors. Nouns provide the context, making our sentences more than just a string of random words. So as you can see, nouns are incredibly important in the English language. They help us to express our thoughts clearly and effectively. Now that you have a basic understanding of what nouns are, we can delve into the different types of nouns. Unravel the various types of nouns and their unique characteristics. Let's dive right into the heart of the matter, the different types of nouns. Each type of noun has a special role to play in the sentence, and understanding these differences will make your writing more vibrant and interesting. First off, we have common nouns. These are your everyday run-of-the-mill nouns. They represent general items or people like dog, city, book, or teacher. These nouns are not typically capitalized unless they begin a sentence. Next up, we have proper nouns. These are the names of specific people, places, or things. For instance, Lily, Paris, or Open School. Yes, our channel name is a proper noun. These are always capitalized. Now let's talk about countable nouns. As the name suggests, these are nouns that we can count. For example, apple, car, or star. You can have one apple, two cars, or a million stars. On the flip side, we have uncountable nouns. These are nouns that we can't count because they usually hold concepts or masses that can't be counted. Think water, love, music, or information. Moving on to collective nouns. These are nouns that refer to a group or collection of people or things. For example, team, flock, or bunch, a team of players, a flock of birds, or a bunch of grapes. Lastly, we have abstract nouns. These are nouns that you can't see, touch, or count. They're ideas, feelings, or qualities like happiness, time, knowledge, or beauty. So there you have it. Common nouns, proper nouns, countable nouns, uncountable nouns, collective nouns, and abstract nouns. Each one unique, each one essential in the grand tapestry of language. These are the major types of nouns that we use in our daily lives. Now we will explore how to use them correctly. Learn how to correctly use the different types of nouns in your sentences. Now that we've covered what nouns are and the different types, it's time to learn how to correctly use them. Remember, using the right type of noun in the right place can make your sentences more meaningful and clear. Let's start with the most basic common nouns. These are your everyday general names for people, places, or things. For example, in the sentence, I went to the park, park is a common noun. It's a general term for an outdoor area for recreation. Next, we have proper nouns. These are specific names for individuals, places, or organizations. They always start with a capital letter. For example, in the sentence, I visited New York, New York is a proper noun. It's the specific name of a city. Collective nouns are names for a group or collection of people or things. In the sentence, the team won the match. Team is a collective noun. It refers to a group of players acting as a single unit. Abstract nouns refer to intangible concepts, feelings, or ideas. For instance, in She was overwhelmed by happiness, happiness is an abstract noun. It's an emotion that you can't physically touch or see. Lastly, we have our countable and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns are things that we can count. For example, I have 3 cats. Cats is a countable noun. On the other hand, uncountable nouns are things we can't count because they are seen as wholes or mass. In I need some water, water is an uncountable noun. Remember, it's crucial to know which type of noun to use, when, and in what context. For instance, you can't say, "I have 3 waters," unless you're referring to different types of water or water in different containers. Practice is key to mastering the correct use of nouns, so keep practicing. Time to wrap up and recap what we've learned today. We kicked off by defining nouns. Remember, a noun is a word that represents a person, place, thing, or idea. We then delved into the different types of nouns. We talked about common nouns, proper nouns, countable nouns, uncountable nouns, concrete nouns, abstract nouns, and compound nouns. Each type has its unique characteristics and usage, which we went over in detail. Lastly, we discussed the correct usage of nouns. We emphasized the importance of using the right type of noun in the right context. We also covered some common mistakes to avoid, so there you have it. A comprehensive look at the world of nouns. Remember, grammar is the backbone of any language, and understanding nouns is a key part of that. Thank you for joining us today at Open School. Remember, practice makes perfect. We hope to see you in our next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.